Who is Mike Weston? Now, do you think he's a scam artist and exposed and all that? No, nothing like that. I have seen lots of videos when people are talking about all of this, and I am understanding this thing that there are different opinions of people, and this is my opinion because this person is something doing that is completely different. What he's doing, he's mass producing videos, and after that he's making a wholesome library, and you have to watch one of those videos and keeping in mind that he is using the same thumbnail. So I was thinking that how it would be if I tried that. Now, because I have never tried something like that, it would be something really insane, and I am ready for it. So I want to try that, and not just that, I'm going to be putting up other things also. So that here we are into Mike's channel, and whenever we come in here, we will be actually be able to see that these videos that they are uploading, it is getting almost like 1.6k, 3.8k, 3k, 3.5k, in spite it's having 400k, almost 450k subs. Why this creator is having 450k subs? So is it worth it to get almost like 1% of it? I don't think so it's worth it. So it's like having less than 1%, 1.6k, 2.8, and all of it. So what we can actually do is very simple. We can actually go on to the channel analytics, and then we can see the channel analytics as it's getting all time last 30 days it has got 1.84 million. And how can it get? You were just thinking about that. I'm going to be telling you how it has gone, and you can see consistently on 30 days it is getting 64, 62, 72, 64, and all of it. That means he's doing something really different that many people couldn't understand, and I think it is not a matter of joke because this person is a pure genius and he's doing it again and again every single day. So what he's doing is he's doing it consistently again and again, and after that mass producing all of the content, and after that he's getting all of it. So understand this, he's uploading almost 3 videos, I mean 2 to 3 videos, and right now he has limited it to 1 video or 2 video every single day. But get this thing, he has uploaded 3 videos every single day without any break. So that means you can easily understand that how much fast he's growing. If we see this, you can all see that every single day onto the social blade. We can actually see that it's getting 1k subs every single day. That means it's completely really cool, and it's getting a consistent of 400k, means it's getting like 60 to 70k views every single day. That means what's happening is that this guy is actually making, according to social blade, this guy is actually making almost like 7 to 8k, but it's much more than that. So you can actually understand that this guy is making almost like 20 to 30k every single month, and you can actually do this by doing simple things. And you can see all the thumbnails that this guy is actually producing is completely simple, as in you can see the thumbnails are actually same. You can see this is almost just the same. The way it is doing, he has kept it real simple, and he's just explaining it for 10 to 12 minutes, and after that it's done. That's it, what he's actually doing. And after that, whenever it's done, he has got a consistent views just like this. So how can he do that? How can you actually do that? I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be trying it out for a quite amount of time because I'm super excited. I just saw these videos, and after that I was like, ooh, that's something that I would love to do. So let's experiment. It's just for experiment purposes. Not just that, I'm going to be uploading the ways that I give you, not about only just about YouTube channels, but also about the NFTs and all of it. That you have got a great idea from all of it, so that you can actually understand that what's the thing that's happening, what's the whole paradox is all about, and how you can actually implement it down real easily. So if you're someone who is really interested, join with me because I am going to be taking it to a new level, to a new way, so that you can actually do it in a much more smarter way, in a much more easier way, and obviously in a lazier way. If it is possible, then we are going to be making it, we're going to be crushing it out, we are going to be doing it up real fast in a way that no one has done. So join in right now.